is one of the most secret, sacred ceremonies of our entire organization. So give me a moment. In the absence of Disco Steve, I will don the robes of the Pasquarina. Sir, come this side if you would. This side. Just stand facing the table. A bit further, a bit nearer. I'm now going to just put the red sacred robes upon you. If you want anything on the lovely jacket. Okay? Of course, the ceremonial headband. I do apologise. Right. There we go. Comfortable? No. I expected more of the president of the savages. The final part of the initiation into the Bristol Society of Magic is a deadly game of chance. It is a game of Russian roulette. Now, just in case any of you don't understand the rules, a revolver with a barrel, you place a single bullet into one of the chambers, you close the chamber, snap it shut, you spin the chamber, you put it against your head, and you pull, hoping that you don't get the chamber with the bullet. Obviously, if you do, it's all very messy. John, would you please pass me the contents of that red box? Thank you very much. We have here the bullet I was referring to a minute ago. Now, this goes in the chamber, and I'm very, 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 very sorry, but we had a health and safety inspection this afternoon, And they said we couldn't do this. I can't believe it, because indeed this is a secret society. Presumably games like this have been played in this room many, many times before. So I had to rush out and find an alternative at very short notice. So I wanted to create something that had a similar level of risk, but wasn't quite so deadly, though possibly quite as messy. So what I did was I got myself 6 eggs, some white cups, and 6 egg cups. And I rushed out and got this Lazy Susan, which I'm now referring to as the Lazy Susan of Destiny. Now, the egg cups are placed on the Lazy Susan of Destiny, like as thus. The cups are placed in the middle. I'm making this up as I go along. I've never done this before. And here I have 6 eggs. 5 of these eggs are hard-boiled. 1 is raw. John, there is a cross on one of these eggs. Ignore it. That's how it came from the shop. Just ignore it. Now, John, I'm going to meditate over here while you place the eggs in the egg cups and then cover them with the plain cups. I will meditate. Let me just go into my trance here. Okay, go. Forward and pick up this cup. Thank you. Young man, quick, young Papa Don. No, someone else has done it. Okay. Thank you. Papa Don in the making, definitely. Marvellous. Pass me the egg box. Yeah. So having met the Lazy Susan of Destiny, we now come across the plunger of fate. The plunger, you now withdraw it from my head. This is how it's done. Come on. Let's put it off. Harder. Oh, thank you. And now place it on the Lazy Susan. Like that. And now you could use it to twirl the Lazy Susan. Just see how cunning I've been here. The rules are, John, that you will choose 2 cups. You take your index fingers and put them on 2 cups. I will take one of those cups, remove the egg, show it to the audience, and then smash it against my head with a shrieky, blood-curdling cry. Are we ready? Yeah. Okay, so give them a spin. Give them a spin. Not too fast, otherwise they fly off. And now place your fingers on 2 cups. 1. I'll take the one nearest to me. Let me show you how it's done. That's it! Hard-boiled. Yes. Marvelous. No. Wait. Now it's my turn. I get to choose 2 of you. John, choose one of the cups, if you would. Marvelous. Remove the cup. Take the egg. Show it to the audience. Big theatre. Blood-curdling cry. And smash it against your head. Hard-boiled! Okay, John. Okay, now, my turn. You spin and choose. Oh, we're doing it anti-clockwise, you cunning devil. Okay, choose 2 cups for me. I always take the one nearest to me, but I don't. Okay. Enormous courage. That's it! Hard-boiled, definitely, yes! More and more fun, isn't it, John, really? Okay. There we go, choose one. Okay. Take it. Ah, it's the one with the cross. Sorry. No problem. Man's eye! I'll do the shriek for you. It's hard boiled. Two left. Okay? Give them a spin. Oh, you know, got to pick one of them. I know that, but it's, you know, give it some theatre. You know, build the tension. Okay? There's enough tension. And put your fingers on the two. We got to, you know, for the purposes of ceremony. Okay. Okay, this one. Panzer! Hard boiled! Well, John. This bit. So the plunger of fate flows the latest vision of destiny. And there you are. I believe the last eggs. At this stage, I have to say you have failed to enter the Bristol Society of Magic. You're going to have egg on your face. Okay. Stop. Don't do that. I couldn't do that to a man. But there are cynics in this room who don't believe that egg is raw. They think that they were all hard-boiled. But, John, just crack that into the glass if you would. Lovely. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for John. Thank you very much. He played it well, but he lost. Thank you, John. Nice to meet you. I'm sorry you're not going to be our newest confidant. But please.
Can I just say it's a pleasure to have your society.
It was a pleasure. I, Baldini, have won, and now I drink from the keg of glory. It has been my pleasure to entertain you, and now on with the show.